So here's a recap of what happened here today. Today is 8/18/25. We got a Kohler smart, not a smart, but a three-way switch that has motion in it. So it's like $13 from Amazon, and there's two diagrams you're gonna buy. You can either buy two motion sensors or one motion sensor with one regular three-way switch, and that's our situation. So let's go for the regular three-way switch. This is our regular three-way switch right there. Can I see Momento, Oscar? Open real quick. So these are our two traveler wires. This is our ground, just like this one here. Two travelers and a ground. And then ground is one, traveler two, the other traveler three wires. So three wires, that's it. Put back. So that's your regular one. And this is the one that cost $13. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's your 5 wires. Green one's off the bat easy. That's your copper line because it says ground. Your blue is your traveling wire. There's your blue, which is red, and it's over there. And actually in the wall, it's a blue wire. Blue wires are made for a traveling three-way switch. So this is the red one, which is in here, and this diagram is blue. So that's done. Then you have your black. The black is your other traveling wire, which is this one right here. But notice over here, it taps into a hot right there. See that hot? Well, that's my black, that's my traveling wire, and this is a hot. This is 120 volts going into there. So there, it's adding a hot into this traveling wire. So that's done. Now, it's very important that you put the $13 sensor towards where the load is. See, it says load. So now the red one is coming from the light down, and the red one is this black one here. So this one needs 120 volts to work. Then the white one, it's this one right here, but you notice that the white one's connected to 3 places, 1, 2, and 3. One of it being neutral and coming down from the light. So now the light has neutral. There is 1, 2, 3. So that's why that's complete. And then you're done. So if you want to do 2 of them on both sides, you follow this diagram. But I guess it doesn't matter because just one of them gets the load. So these 2 are also similar. The only difference now is you got a neutral right there too. Okay, Oscar, I'll finish. Okay.